Hello everyone, welcome to our channels. I'm Yuki, the trainer from AiHouse. This series of videos we're going to show you the quick starts of the AiHouse, and I will divide it into 2 days. So the first day is about the basic stuff. And through these lessons, you will grasp 5 skills. The first is that you will know the basic operation. The second is you can draw the floor plan. And third is you will learn how to use the AI designs. The fourth is you will know how to use the finished modules. And the last is that you can get a quick rendering through our AI house and show that rendering effect to your customers to impress them. During the designs, if you face any issues, you can go to the upper right corner of our AiHouse and find the feedback to contact us. And if you want to know more design skills about the AiHouse, you can go to our official website and find the support button and go to the video tutorials or knowledge base to find more tutorials, videos, or files. So for the first days, contents will be, the first is about the usage awareness. And second is about the introductions of the interface and floor plan. And third, we will start designs with the finished modules and AI. And fourth, after the designs, and we will going to have the quick rendering and get rendering pictures. So let's start this with the first, the usage awareness. Before starting your designs, you need to make sure that your PC's configurations can fix the below. We suggest you to use our AiHouse under these recommended configurations, and the effect will be more perfect. If you don't have this setting, just make sure that your PC have the minimum configurations. So how to use AiHouse? The first is that you need to have our website, then open your Google Chrome and use Google Chrome to get into our AiHouse. So now let's use Google Chrome to get into our official website. So come here and enter our website. Then you can see this login and sign up. If you don't have our AiHouse account, you can click here to sign up an account. After that, you can log in. Then at the upper right corner, you can start your designs through this button. You can go to our V5 Plus to enjoy our new launching version. Also, if you want to fulfill your personal account info, you can come to this profile photo and click the setting. Then go into the upper right corner again and find this one and click the settings again. And in here, so you can fulfill your account info.